Good day. I'm Chartered, your accounting tutor. In today's video, we are going to continue from a new topic, which is books of original entry. Books of original entry under Introduction to Accounting. And I want to know that I mentioned all the books of original entry. And number one was the CASHBOOK. And CASHBOOK is one of the most important books used by businesses, individuals, organizations, non-profit making, all form of businesses use CASHBOOK most. So now, let's look at the CASHBOOK. What is a CASHBOOK? I think I defined CASHBOOK in the previous video, that a CASHBOok is a book of original entry as well as a ledger into which all cash transactions, check received and check paid are recorded in the CASHBOOK. All cash transactions, including check received and check payments, are recorded in the CASHBOOK, and also discount received and discount allowed in the case of the 3-column CASHBOOK. Let's look at the type of CASHBOOK we have. We have up to 5 different types of CASHBOOK. We have 1-column CASHBOOK or the single-column CASHBOOK. We have 2-column CASHBOOK, or you can call it the double-column CASHBOOK. We have the 3-column CASHBOOk, or you can call it the triple-column CASHBOOk. We have what is called the petty CASHBOOk, and also have what is called the analytical CASHBOOk. Today, I want to emphasize that we may be placing much attention in terms of the CASHBOOK. We'll be looking at the 3-column CASHBOOk, the petty CASHBOOk, and analytical CASHBOOk. Because looking at 3-column CASHBOOk, we cover 1-column and 2-column, which is more easier. So my emphasis will be on treating the 3-column CASHBOOk. If you are able to appreciate and understand the 3-column CASHBOOk, you don't have any issue to do 1-column CASHBOOk with just the cash, and you have no issue with treating the 2-column CASHBOOk. You have to do with cash and bank. While 3-column CASHBOOk is able to cover all the elements, because having cash, having bank, as well as discount. So my emphasis will be on 3-column CASHBOOk, which is most challenging to learners because of the discount involved, and everything that is involved in the CASHBOOk are contained in the 3-column CASHBOOk. So emphasis will be on the 3-column CASHBOOk. So the 3-column CASHBOOk, let's look at how the 3-column CASHBOOk is being drawn. This is how the 3-column CASHBOOk is drawn, whereby the name of the owner of the business will be placed on top. Like here, you can say this is Mr. Chartered Ventures. Write the name of the owner of the business on top and underline it neatly, like you can see. Now, you now make clear the heading of the CASHBOOk, which is the 3-column CASHBOOk. 3-column CASHBOOk. 3-column CASHBOOk. Make sure that the heading is very clearly written. As you can see, each of the keywords should start with capital letter. You can see T, C, and B. They should be capital. Make sure you put this different, because it's a compound, a joint word, must say 3-column CASHBOOk, and that is just it. Then the 3-column CASHBOOk have the debit side and credit, and that's why a CASHBOOk is a book of original entry as well as a ledger. You can see have the debit and credit side, and that is why it is both book of original entry as well as a ledger. As you can see, as we go further, the other books of original entry like sales daybook, purchase daybook, return inward and outward doesn't have debit and credit. And that is why CASHBOOk is called a book of original entry as well as a ledger, because it's serving the two. Although it is a book into which transactions are first recorded in terms of cash before transferring to a ledger, but it has the two features. Now, if you look at this heading, we have the dates, we have the particulars, which can also be called the detail, we have the folio, we have the discount allowed, we have cash and bank. Discount allowed is in the debit side because discount allowed is expenses. All expenses are debited. If you want to understand it that way, it's still right, because when I was treating principles of double, I told you that all expenses are debited. So if discount allowed is also found in the debit side, you can also prove that it is in the debit side because discount allowed is expenses and all expenses are debited. And I also want to tell you that discount allowed is the debit side because it goes with sales. Because when we start recording, sales will be found in the debit side of the cash, because in cash we give out sales to receive cash. So that is why sales will be found in the debit side, and sales goes with discount allowed. Sales goes with discount allowed because it is when you make sales and you are receiving money from customers, then you can allow some money to them. You can allow some money to them as discount. And that is why as sales in the debit side, it means discount allowance will also go with sales, because it is when you make sales and you are receiving money from customers that you allow discount. And that's the second reason why discount allowed column is found in the debit side. Now the next is we come to the credit side. Here too, we have the date, we have the particular, we have the folio, we have the discount receipt, we have cash and bank. Discount receipt, because most learners ask why discount receipt is in the credit side. It's in the credit side because the principle of double entry says a discount receipt is an income and all income are credited. So if you want to take in that light too, it's clear that discount allowance supposed to be the credit side of the card book. But another reason is discount allowance is associated with purchases. That is when the business purchases goods and they are to pay the goods, then the supplier can now give discount to the business, and that discount becomes discount receipt. The business is making payment, the supplier is allowing, but the business they are receiving. So discount receipt is associated with purchases, and that is why purchases is found in the credit side of the card book, because the business is paying money out to buy goods, which are the purchases. And that is why discount receipt is found in the credit side of the card book. All this will be handled in a very comprehensive question that will have every element that a card book should have, that student learners find it difficult to understand. And in the next video, I'm going to bring out very complex illustration that will carry everything that a card book, especially curriculum, that students or learners find it difficult to record. We are going to start in the next video treating the transaction one after another as they will be recorded in the 3-column card book. Make sure you follow my video, like and comment, and if you have any question, you can come down and ask. I will come back to give full explanation to it as you follow me. Thank you all. I remain Chata.